So finally the wait is over. Parrot OS 5.0 stable version has been released. So here you can see my on my screen I'm using Parrot OS. So here you go. 5 Parrot OS 5.0 electric era into 6. So it has been successfully released. So this is the kernel version that they are supporting in Parrot 5.0, and there is much more things. So I'm going to cover the detailed thing, like what are the new thing that has been added into Parrot 5.0. So just watch this video till end, you'll learn a lot of things about the new update. So yesterday the Parrot security team has been announced the general availability of Parrot OS 5.0 as the latest stable release of Debian based distribution for pen tester mostly. So this is the official website where you can check the further update. So they have also told that, like, based on Debian GNU 11, which is a bullseye operating system series and powered by Linux kernel 5.60. So these are the new thing that has been added into them. So Linux kernel 5.16 had been added. Parrot OS 5.0 is here almost a year after 4.11. So this was a very long time, but now they are providing LTS. LTS means long term support. Okay, so in this model you'll be going to get the LTS and a new architect edition, which is an experimental Raspberry Pi edition has been released as well, so you can use Parrot OS on your Raspberry Pi as well. So there is a plethora of new tools of ethical hackers and pentest and testers has been also been added. So there was something said by the Parrot OS team. So they also said some sort of point. They said that Parrot 5.0 was designed with the cloud and customizability in mind and provides several containers options to leverage powered orchestrations tools during complex pentest scenario. The system now follow a long-term support release model but provide the latest version of all the tools via extensive backporting and never out of date. So these were the few codes that has been added. Now these are the new tools that has been added onto the uh, new version. So Parrot OS Architect Edition, this version is called Architect Edition. So this is a minimalistic ISO image of Parrot OS that only feature an installer to let expert users fully customize the installation. The Architect Edition is supported on both 64-bit ARM64 platform, and it can be easily transferred into full feature desktop system or a server. The LTS, which is called long-term support release model of Parrot 5.0 series, promised no major changes and extensively fast security update for at least 2 years from the moment of the release to ensure maximum stability and reliability. So in addition, the system offers a rolling release model for the security tools. So guess what? As you imagine, Parrot 5.0 come with a lot of new tools for the need of cybersecurity specialists. These include this first one, the POC Suite 3, which is an open source remote vulnerability testing and proof of concept development framework. They have also added FF. So this is a first web fudger. They have added diet search, which most probably you are downloading from GitHub. So this is basically a web pathfinder as well as EV Epoch. So this is a payload creation framework for the execution of arbitrary VBA macro source code in memory. So they have also added in this release they included Parrot Python 3 with PCO damp, which is a very powerful VBA P code disassembler. They have added Mimi Penguin. So Mimi Penguin is a free and open source script for dumping login credential, username and password from the current desktop users. They have added Ollie Tools. So Ollie Tools is a collection of tools to analyze Microsoft OLE2 files. They have also added Find My Hash 2.0. So this is a tool to crack different type of hashes and At last they have added Pines tractors. So this is a Python script to extract the content of a PyInstaller generated window executable file. So this will be very much helpful for the people, those who are using Parrot OS. So, and yes, Parrot OS is available to download. You can download it from this website, parrotsecurity.org/downloads. Here you can see version 5.0 Electro era. So the official website, so this is home version most probably. Whatever the thing that you want, you can download from here as well. You can direct the security edition from here. You can download the cloud edition from here by clicking. You can download the architect and IoT version as well from there, and you can download the Raspberry Pi version as well from here. So you can click here if you would like to download. Then you can click what you would like to download, ARMHF or ARM64. So this will directly download your what you say, uh, Parrot OS. So like there are some sort of warning as well, but most probably it will be available very soon. So whatever you would like to download, suppose if you would like to download home edition, click here, just click download. If you want to download from torrent, click here. If you'd like to compare the hashes, you can click here, and whatever hashes you want, you can click here and then proceed further. So also there is in cloud edition, there are three cloud editions. First thing is for embedded device, not for the embedded device. You can check here right now. This first one is the architect edition, where nothing pre-installed, install any software and do with the edition. Second one is hack the box edition. So you can try this version of Parrot OS, which is customized for hack the box or explore the pawn box. So if you are mostly into exploitation, then you can check out this version into cloud part. And third one is the Docker image. So in Docker image, Parrot OS for Docker enable users to take advantage of the Parrot tools on top of other operating system or in the cloud environment, as well as Parrot Pi edition for Raspberry Pi 4. Here you can see with 4 GB RAM or higher. So this is the minimum requirement. So this is what are the updates in Parrot OS 5.0. So I hope you learned something new. You get to know what are the new updates. So hope you are going to install, and a very big kudos to Parrot OS security team for the one of the best release till now. So stay tuned. Let's see you in the next video.